Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Explorer air filter, updated. Park on level ground, open the hood, and locate the air box near the engine. Unclip the air box cover, remove the old filter, and inspect the housing for debris. Compare the new filter to the old one for fit, then install the new filter with the rubber seal seated. Reattach the cover and test idle for any changes. Keep a clean filter schedule to protect engine life and fuel economy. Gather basic tools like a screwdriver, shop rag, and replacement filter before you start. Work slowly to avoid forcing tabs or breaking clips, and use a vacuum or rag to clear loose debris from the housing. Note the airflow arrow on the filter so you install it correctly. Dispose of the old filter responsibly and log the change for future maintenance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long projects, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof spout for easy sipping. It ships quickly and comes in multiple colors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one for your garage kit. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Signs of a clogged air filter include poor acceleration, rough idle, and decreased fuel economy. If you see dirt buildup or the filter looks gray or dark, replace it promptly. Measure the old filter or check part numbers to ensure correct replacement, and bring the filter to the parts counter if unsure. Recheck clamps and seals after installation to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. Keep a spare filter in your trunk for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.